Tina was a little elephant who lived in a happy jungle called Sweetland. She was kind, friendly, and had one big love. She loved ice cream more than anything. Tina loved all the flavors: strawberry, mango, chocolate, and bubblegum. She could eat ice cream every day. One day, her best friend Polly the parrot flew down and shouted, "Tina, tomorrow is the Jungle Ice Cream Festival." Tina's eyes lit up. "Yay! I will eat all the flavors," she said happily. The next day, the jungle was full of music, dancing, and yummy ice cream. Tina wore her favorite hat and went to every ice cream stall. She ate mango, cherry, chocolate, banana, watermelon, and even a spicy chili ice cream. She ate 1, 2, 10, 20, 32 scoops. Suddenly, Tina felt a big ache in her tummy. "Oh no, my belly hurts," she said, holding her stomach. An old giraffe came walking slowly. It was Grandpa Giraffe. He smiled and said, "Too much ice cream is not good. It's better to share with friends." Tina looked at the extra ice cream she still had. She thought for a moment and said, "Yes, I will share." She called her friends: Polly the parrot, Momo the monkey, Lily the leopard, and even Grumpy Rhino. "Come and eat with me," Tina said. "There is enough ice cream for everyone." All the animals sat under a tree. They laughed, played, and ate together. Tina felt happy again. From that day, Tina still loved ice cream, but now she ate only 1 or 2 scoops, and she always shared with her friends. Because Tina learned something special. Sharing is sweeter than eating alone. If you enjoy this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.